Hi, and welcome to the Foundations of Science course, offered at Michigan State University. Over the next 7 weeks, we will be working on giving you the basic skills necessary to start interacting with the scientific community. This course has been designed to help train you in critical thinking. This is sometimes thought of as the ability to evaluate evidence and arrive at a conclusion. This course will also provide you some background in scientific literacy. These are the scientific details that help you to back up your critical thinking. And then also to help you distinguish science as a way of knowing that is different from other sources of information. The skills that you will develop will allow you to interpret graphics used in science, and hopefully to help you to see patterns in the data that can make you better informed. Much of the class will be focused on critical thinking, as this is an important skill for scientists and non-scientists alike. You will gain experience identifying claims, evaluating evidence, and making decisions based on that evidence. One of the barriers to understanding science is the jargon that is used. Our goal is to discuss science in an accessible way as possible and to give you some strategies for how to deal with it when you have to. The act of doing science gets your brain categorizing and separating your observations into discrete groups and starts making connections between them. One of the skills you can develop in this course is the ability to make those relationships visible and to use that as a tool to think with. So what does an online course like this look like? Well, each week you will get an intro video by the professor, who will cover announcements from the previous week and things you might want to look out for in the upcoming week. Then you'll have an animation similar to this one that you're currently watching that will give you a roadmap to the theories that you will be working with on that week. After that, you can watch and interact with a lesson that examines those theories more in depth. To give you some practice with what you have learned and to build your skill sets, there will be exercises that help you act like a scientist, speak like a scientist, think like a scientist, and see like a scientist. The module will then round out with a critical thinking exercise that will have you discussing and blogging about current scientific issues in society. Regardless of who you are or where you are on your scientific journey, we hope that you will join us for this class and help build your foundations of science.